Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're here with Matt Chableski, and we're going to be talking about National Car Care Month. Matt, how you doing today?
Wonderful. How have you been with
Oh,
this great weather that's been happening?
well, the great weather. Oh, it's nice today. We are definitely enjoying the sun. We definitely needed that. So, Matt, please, spend the next couple minutes here, if you don't mind, just kind of tell us about National Car Care Month and what that entails.
So, what I like to do is, this time of the year, spring, everything's nice, starting to bloom a little bit. You're, spending more time outside. The sun's actually shining today, which is great. I like to make sure that my car's clean, and everything's nice and actually all the winter salt, all that good stuff is gone off the rugs and the carpets. So one thing we do have going on is we do have our full vehicle details. So it's interior shampooing, buffing the paint, getting all that road debris and grime off of there from winter. We're looking at $249.95 for our full details. We give you a car to use for the day because it takes quite a few hours to do. The other thing that I would say is, hey, let's replace the filters so you're breathing in nice clean air, especially when now that it's starting to actually be nice clean air that's outside. So filters are the other thing that I would do. Other than that, I mean, just making sure, hey, let's inspect the vehicles. Let's make sure that everything's nice and safe and secure for all the summer travels that we're going to be doing later on in the year. Other than that, that's come on in and we'll get the car up in the air and get it all squared away for you.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So, but basically what you're saying is bring the vehicle in here. You guys are going to do a full detail on the car. You're going to get the car looking really good, smelling good, check some things out, get the filters taken care of. That's awesome. And would you say it's probably safe to say, or it's a safe bet that our customers should follow us on Russ Darrow on the social media just so they can get some good tips on how to take care of their car and about their vehicle maintenance and any deals that we have going on, because every month we have different deals, and I know that our social media department, they're really good about posting the different deals and whatnot for our vehicles. Would you say that's a safe bet to say?
Oh, 100%. I mean, there's times where we'll actually throw deals out from day to day. I'll call up our social media people and say, hey, you know what? For all of our followers, let's just run this special, $15 off this service. So I do that numerous times throughout the
That's
month.
awesome. So don't wait for the commercials on TV. Don't wait for what your buddy said. Get on the social media page, Russ Darrow Mazda, Facebook. Check it out. See what kind of deals we have going on. They're also going to see a bunch of videos of you and I, the dynamic duo, at it again. All right, awesome. Well, I appreciate your time today. I know you're a busy man, but thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule for me and our followers. Folks, you heard it from the horse's mouth. Give us a call. Come make an appointment. Come on and get your car detailed, get it clean, get the filters right, check our social media page, take care of your vehicle so your vehicle can take care of you. From all of us to all of you, take care and have a happy day. We'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.